As someone who has held it since 2017, I can understand how unhappy many of you are with how it's doing, especially when compared to the bigger cryptocurrency market. This failure may be the silver lining we've been waiting for, though, because the pattern we've seen since 2017 looks a lot like the pattern before the big jump in 2017, which suggests that XRP could happen again. It's normal to meet people who are skeptical. Most of the responses we got were skeptical about the chances of a big change because of past failures. Still, it's important to remember that things have gone like this before, most famously in 2017, when there was a long build-up period. That lasted about 1,300 days. XRP was one of the first cryptocurrencies to hit the market after Bitcoin in 2013. A lot of people might not know this. It went through a big growth phase from 2013 to 2017, when it finally broke out. This past trend is very similar to where we are now, which is marked by low volatility. This suggests that history may repeat itself, though the size of the move may be different. A hard target price like 100 for XRP is still a reasonable goal to shoot for. People lose faith when they don't see results quickly, which makes them forget the basics of market cycles and technical formations. I know how tiring it is to hear rumors without any facts to back them up, but our focus is on the technical base that has been built since 2017 and which points to a big change in the future. My work is spread out. In addition to XRP, I keep seeing it because I think history is about to repeat itself. This chat tries to shed light on the shifting dynamics and the chance of big changes based on research results. We're optimistic about XRP because of the way its charts are set up, but we also want to thank our respected colleague Mr. Francis Hunt, who is also known as the market shooter and crypto sniper, for his insightful analysis. His in-depth look at XRP's structure and what it means is what our $6 price prediction of the goal is based on. This study shows that XRP is likely to continue going up, but it's important to note that other important factors also support our positive outlook, even though they aren't our main focus. Let's look at why XRP was created so soon after Bitcoin and what part it plays in the financial ecosystem before we get into the technical analysis. You can't say enough good things about XRP's prospects in the changing global money transfer and currency markets. We are at the start of a new era in global finance with a move toward a currency FX monetary system. XRP is perfectly suited to play a big part in this, as we move toward a time when all assets are digitized and turned into tokens. XRP is designed to use a global record to make it possible for people to send and receive money and assets. It's getting clearer that the XRP token is useful. Some people don't believe that XRP is necessary in the foreign exchange market. When changing a lot of yen to dollars, for example, the FX market often needs an equal value in both currencies. This can hold up a lot of liquidity, especially for big transactions. XRP gets rid of this need by working as a bridge token that lets currencies be transferred almost instantly without locking up liquidity. This feature is a big step forward in making it easier and better to do overseas foreign exchange. XRP has the potential to completely change the foreign exchange market. The FX market was worth an amazing $2.4 quadrillion in 2020, making it the most liquid and one of the biggest markets in the world, maybe even second only to two futures. As of 2022, $7.5 trillion worth of trades took place every day on the FX market. The foreign exchange market is incredibly excited about a new age of efficiency and liquidity, and the XRP token is an essential part of that. There are only 100 billion XRP tokens in circulation, and currently 54 billion are in use. Thinking about how XRP and Ripple could be used to facilitate a large portion of foreign money transfer shows how much room there is for growth and acceptance. There has been a big rise in value. Since the market value of Bitcoin has already gone over $1 trillion, our DO6 price goal for XRP is equal to $864 billion in market value. Mark shows that these prices for cryptocurrencies are valid. XRP could change the way people send and receive money across borders in a simple but revolutionary way. In a deal that used XRP, it would be easy and quick to change dollars into XRP and then back into euros or any other currency. A lot of trades would have to go through XRP for this process to work, which could make it more valuable. The ongoing buying and selling in the process could push the price of XRP to $16 and raise its market value to all-time highs. Due to the huge amounts of money that are exchanged every day, the goal is not only achievable, but it may also be a conservative estimate. So the main things that support XRP's potential are not just basic chart analysis. They come from the big part that XRP could play in the world's financial system. The way XRP is set up technically and the fact that it can be used to change things make a strong case for its future growth and acceptance. There are a few speculative reasons why the possible rise in XRP's value might look like a jump at first. There is a lot of uncertainty about how much XRP will be used in the foreign exchange market, which makes this trade even riskier. However, Ripple's partnerships with some of the world's biggest banks suggest that the company could gain a lot of market share. If XRP gets even a small part of the FX market, let alone a big piece of it, its value could go through an exponential rise, similar to the gains that were predicted by trend analysis. It's important to stress that we are cautious about XRP, even though we see its promise. This possibility comes from XRP's plan to change more than just technical indicators in financial deals. Want to move past simple complaints that downplay XRP's potential based on how it has performed in the past? People who are skeptical don't always take into account that institutions spend in a more strategic and patient way than most people do, who are more reactive. We're paying more attention to XRP now than we did in the past because we've seen patterns and developments that point to a repeat of its past success. People should be careful and have a diversified portfolio, but the story of XRP makes a unique case for speculative investment with an eye on long-term trends and changes.